Okay guys, I filmed so far today my Sephora customer appreciation is not the VIP sale, the customer appreciation sale haul. There's one item I didn't open in that haul, and it is this. Yay! And this is the Mcgrath's mini MatteTrance Skin Show Trio first edition limited release mini lipstick. I'm so excited. So excited. I've been wanting to try Mcgrath lipsticks for so long, but I couldn't really decide on a color that I wanted to try, and I had like so many on my wish list, and I cleaned off my wish list and I was like, no, you're not paying $36 for one lipstick. You will not do it. No. I stood my ground and I didn't do it. And a year later, she put out the MatteTrance lipsticks, and she also put out the 3 colors I want to try the most in a set. So I have Omi, 1995, and Flesh 3. And I just want you to see how cute this packaging is. Look, it has glitter in it, and the lipsticks in there. And so I wanted to open it with you guys and have my first impressions on camera. I think I'm going to need some scissors. Yep, I'm going to need some scissors. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, I got the top cut off. It has 3 lipsticks in there, and then all this glitter, which I'm going to just pour on the table. Glittery. I don't know what's the point of having these in there. I think it's just for the effect. But once you get all that out, you got 3 lipsticks left, and they are beautifully done with the little lips on there. Her signature lips. Gorgeous. The first one up is Omi. Boom. So there you go. It's so pretty. That's it, rolled all the way up. And it has a good little bit of lipstick in here too. So let's give it a swatch. Roll it down because I don't want to break it. It's like a peachy nude, and it's so smooth. Guys, it's so smooth. Ooh. So pretty and smooth. This right here is Omi. It's a pretty nude peachy color. Then we have just a little writing. So 1995 is this color. It's like a brownie nude. Yep, a brownie peachy nude. Now that I have this one here, that only looks more rosy nude, and this one looks more peachy nude. Yeah, but it's pretty, and they feel so soft on the hands. And so I cannot wait to wear these on my lips. And then you have Flesh 3, which is just, I think, going to be a deeper rose nude. Yep, deeper, more mauve rose nude. Yes, guys, loving it. Omi, 1995, and Flesh 3. That's how they look. This is such a quick, short video. I may throw it up first because it's so beautiful and it's so gorgeous. But while I have a short, quick video, how about we guys talk about some people I want you guys to watch. Let's talk about Lily from Gadget Lily, who I love and who we call our Shiseido princess here in our beauty YouTube growth group, because she is the queen of Shiseido and she knows everything about it. Their skincare, their makeup, their everything, and she convinced me to buy several Shiseido pieces in my Sephora customer appreciation haul, which you will see. I'll link in the iCards. I'll also link Lily's video on her channel below in my description box and in my iCard, along with danye-EWPGASSQ, who is a gorgeous afro having goddess of perfume. She will make you want to buy so much perfume, guys. If you love perfume and you want to learn about it, you want to learn about makeup in general, or hair care products, or curly hair products, go check out danye-EWPGASSQ. She's amazing. She will have you wanting to go to every perfume counter and just spritz yourself, and you will be so covered in gorgeous scent you would attract everybody you could ever attract in life after listening to her videos. You think you are a perfume goddess as well. So go over there and check out danye-EWPGASSQ. Check out Gadget Lily, who is Lily, and they are both beautiful women, beautiful spirits, and I know they would love to have you on their channel. Tell them that Danny sent you, and have a good day. Bye.